Hi, I'm G-Whiz with the Wahl Educational Artistic Team. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a low fade using the new 5-star series detachable blade system, the Mentor, which comes with 4 blades, not 1, not 2, but 4 blades come with this clipper, with this system. And I'm going to demonstrate how you can only use those blades, this clipper, and a comb to attain the whole haircut. I'm first going to start with my 08 blade. Notice how I just click that in. There's a locking mechanism that allows this to stay on and not come up during your haircut. Wahl Clippers is the only company that has a detachable blade system with this mechanism on it. And if you watch, I'm cutting at an angle because we want to keep the blend low. We don't want to take it too high. This is a gentleman's cut. You want to pretty much keep the blend as low as possible. And you want to keep this even. So from here, we're going to stop. I'm going to turn them this way. And I'm going to start right here and do the exact same thing. This ensures evenness all the way around. One great thing about this blade, it is just like the clipper. It's lightweight. It's a smooth blend. I don't have to force this blade to do what I want it to do, nor the clipper. The clipper is ergonomically shaped. It's easy to hold. The texture is fine in the hand, whether my hands are wet or dry. And that's important when dealing with a mass amount of haircuts. You want to make sure that the clipper doesn't slip out of your hands. Now, once we get this part, we want to work on just this line of demarcation. So my next blade is going to be my 1. Put that in there. Again, it's locked in. And I'm only using the corners of the blade. I'm going to go against the grain, just slightly overlapping each line of demarcation. And remember to only use the corners when blending the line out. This ensures that you don't take too much hair off and create another line of demarcation in the midst of knocking one out. Now my next blade is my 1A. I'm going to attach my 1A. Fully locked in. I'm going to turn the head at an angle so I can see it upward into the fade. It helps you blend a little better. And I'm starting down low. I'm going to go in, up, and out using a C-scoop motion. And the only reason I'm able to blend with this bulk detachable clipper is because of the shape of it. It's not too wide, it's not too long. It fits just right in your palm of your hand, as well as just being able to use your fingertips to manipulate the clipper. In essence, you got more control over it with the weight and the size of it as it is now. These blades work on all hair types. One of the benefits of this system is they work hand in hand. So they're cut just a little closer than any other detachable blade system. So now you've seen we've gone from the OA to the 1 to the 1A. Now we have a line of demarcation here, but none here. And the same on this side, line of demarcation right through here, but none here or here. What that tells you is that's a different hair stream. The hair could grow different, or it could be that the pattern is just different. Any rate, we're gonna go to the clipper over comb, and we're gonna knock that final blend out. I'm gonna hold that head at an angle, and come in. I'm switching to the new Wahl flat top comb. The reason I switch combs is because these teeth are closer to the scalp, which helps you blend when the hair is closer to the skin. Now I'm gonna go down one blade to my one, and I'm gonna continue to clipper over comb. Smaller blade gives you a closer cut. So on this low fade, we only use 3 blades of the 4-blade system. We use the OA, the 1, the 1A. Now, if you were looking for that extreme closeness, that skin tight ball fade look, then we would have used the triple lock, which we didn't use, but that's the only reason we didn't use it is because we actually don't want it skin tight. So that's the only reason this blade was exempt from the 4-blade system in this demonstration of this cut. So at this point, I'm gonna use my retro T-cut, or you can use any trimmer that you want to use. And we're gonna trim them up, edge them up, shape his face up, send them on home. This is our finished cut. He's been trimmed up, shaved, and he's now the proud owner of a low fade, done with a 5-star series mentor with 3 of the 4 detachable blades.